Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reboot Realme Narzo. If you want to completely reboot your Realme Narzo, we are going to have to enter recovery mode. In order to do it, let's enter power menu and select restart. Next, simultaneously press and hold power button and volume down button until you see Android logo. Release the buttons. And now in recovery mode we have to select language, which is English, by pressing volume down button. Select power button and select reboot device. Confirm and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.